A rare opportunity awaits to enjoy resort-style living in your own private park, nestled on forested acreage. Ideally located near Tumwater Vineyard and the Oregon Golf Club, this custom home provides luxury living in a perfectly tranquil setting, beautifully remodeled, and with an incredible pool for entertaining. Discover main-level living with walls of windows and vaulted ceilings. Take in sunrise views from your multi-level mahogany deck. Or create your favorite cuisine in the updated kitchen with granite countertops, a cooktop island, custom soft-close cabinets, stainless appliances, double ovens, and a walk-in pantry. Gorgeous hickory hardwood flooring and the open concept design create a warm, inviting interior. Unwind in the main-level primary suite with vaulted ceilings and ensuite bathroom with a hot tub and sauna. You'll find 2 additional bedrooms on the main level with walk-in closets, plus another full bath. The daylight basement provides additional space for entertaining, a 4th bedroom, and another full bath. The bonus room opens to the pool, ready for refreshing days and evenings. While friends enjoy the pool, others can enjoy quiet conversation on the expansive decks or make memories by the built-in fire pit. In addition to the 3-car garage, you'll find a separate heated 2-car garage, all with epoxy floors. And this home includes 48 Tesla solar panels. An incredibly comfortable luxury home with all the right amenities. It's all here on Big Fir Road and ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour or for more information, please contact Jeffry Wiren with Premier Property Group at 503-869-3513.